Welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a reading for Aries, March 2021. So here we go. These are going to be your spirit messages. So what you need to know about your past. So regarding your person, I believe one of you was insecure about the connection. Reason being, you felt the person was out of your league. It's either they felt you were out of the league or you felt they were out of your league. But you guys had a very solid passion chemistry. Okay, you guys could not deny the fact that you guys were very connected, very much attracted towards each other. But I'm keep on getting a message that you are out of my league. So maybe they felt like you were out of their league, and this wouldn't work long term. Right now, the current scenario is your person may be entertaining someone else, cheating, online flirting, social media, dating online. Not single, involved elsewhere. So if you guys are not very much in communication right now, I believe your person is entertaining other people. Okay, they know what you want right now. They really know what you want. So if they are behaving like, they do not know what's happening, they do not know where it's going, they very much know what you wanted from this person. But where it's going, I have unspoken feelings. There's still hope. So you guys might have not directly expressed your feelings, or they might have not expressed their feelings, but I very much feel like this connection isn't over. For some of you, this is a twin flame. The reason why there's so much triggering and ups and downs and chaser runner scenarios, and basically they are like making you question yourself a lot. So this is all about your journey. Okay, this might be your twin for many of you. If not, it could be your past life. Right now your person seems way more focused on their career and less focused on you. So let's start your read now. This were your triggering spirit messages. So what is your person going through? What is your person going through, Aries? Okay, we have page of pentacles. Right now I believe that your person right now is very focused on their work life. Like they are very overwhelmed with their workload, and they could be very much into their own space. Okay, they do think about you. They do have your thought and mind, but I believe they are mostly giving into their work. One more card is to what are their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards you now for Aries? Intention with Knight of Swords, I still see this person wanting to reach out. Okay, one card for their energy towards you, Aries soulmates energy towards Aries, please. Energy wise, with the Fool card, this person hasn't given up on you, but they are more of coming off as like it seems way more casual from their side. They don't seem very serious. Okay, I see a very casual approach from their side, going with the flow. I don't see a very serious a person who's wanting to plan about it, wanting to have a thing in mind. No, they're going with the flow basically. One card for their current feelings towards you. One card for their current feelings towards you for the sign of Aries, please. Ace of Swords. In terms of current feelings, I would say that this person hasn't really expressed much. Rather, in the past, they could have cut you out from their life. Reason being, things were not working out for the both of you. I also feel one of you are behaving like a player. You couldn't decide on one person. They couldn't just let go of giving in to other people, like attending to other people's attention. Okay, so one more card for what do they truly have for you? What do they truly have for you? With Eight of Swords, I do feel a part of them still feels stuck to you. Okay, the reason why they gave up or they possibly walked away was because you triggered them too much. Okay, you made them possibly change their ways, and they were not comfortable doing it. Okay, they know how they feel for you, they know what they have for you, they know what you want from them, they know everything. But they some of you, I believe your partner is not ready for something long term. Okay, one more card for what is going on in their heart space right now. What is going on in their heart space? In their heart space with Ten of Pentacles in the reverse, darling. Honestly, feeling I'm getting is that this person isn't ready for a commitment. They may still want you, but they are not ready for completely surrendering and possibly holding on to this connection for long. So what are their major blockages, Spirit? What are their major blockages? Major blockages, I believe, is Ace of Wands. This person is someone who gets in a lot of attention, okay, and they just cannot hold back. This person gives in to our like they do not have a exclusive connection with you. I believe this person is a very much a happening person who gets in a lot of attention, and they are not very loyal. Okay, I know that is very sad, but this person is doesn't seem ready for a committed relationship. With Ace of Wands, they don't stay closed off to other people's attention. They entertain other people. And with Ace of Wands, that has always been a blockage. This person is someone who believes love is something that starts off from lust, attraction, that's love, but it may not be, right? Love is something very, very deep. Like, love is something very different from what they feel. For them it could just be attraction, like I love you so much, reason being I'm attracted so much towards you. But they were never really used to connections like this, like committed relationship, holding on to one person, staying loyal to one person. They are not used to that shit, and that triggered them, and that was the major reason why they ran, or why they are not entertaining you right now. Okay, so what are their intentions towards you? What are their intentions towards you? Intention is with Queen of Wands, they are still wanting to entertain this, they're still wanting to reach out, they're still wanting to fix this with you. But what work are they wanting to take towards you now? What steps are they wanting to take towards you? With Nine of Swords, this person is restless over you. A part of them feels like you may never want them, or you are done with them, but they cannot let go of you. So what can you expect from this person now? What can Aries possibly expect from this person now? With Eight of Pentacles, I do feel like this person will want to put in effort, but where this is going for now, for Aries, where this is truly going for now for Aries, next couple of weeks, please. I do feel for many of you, you guys will come back together. Okay, it may take a couple of days here and there for this person to make the move, but I do see this person coming back. This person comes back to you. Okay, one card for what are the major blockages that could get in the way, if at all? What are the major blockages that could be getting in the way, or could get in the way? With Wheel of Fortune, this person goes with the flow. They do not have a solid plan as to what they want, how they want, and where they want this connection to go. One card for what do they want from you now? What do they truly want from you now? With the Sun card, they want your attention. They want you to stay open to them. They want this connection to move forward. One card for what are they wanting to offer you? What are they wanting to offer you as of now? What do we see them offering Aries for the next couple of weeks? To be very honest, emotionally, I still see this person being distant. Okay, with King of Cups, they may still have feelings for you, but emotionally, I still see distance. This person isn't ready to completely open up what they have for you, but they are very ready to heal the connection, fix the connection, to come back together. Okay, so let's take love messages from this person now. What should you be knowing? What should Aries be knowing about this person? What do you want to say to Aries now? Okay, for some of you, if this person is already married or having someone else, like a committed relationship, they are not ready to let that person go. I'm sorry, I can't let my family go. I'm trying to make you more jealous. So they are trying to make you more jealous. So they could be posting pictures with someone else to just get an attention from you. Okay, last card we have is I want to be with you still. A part of them still believes that they should not give up on you. Even if they have a family, or they are committed, or they have other responsibilities which possibly stops them from coming towards you, they cannot still give up on you. They still want this. Okay, last message, another message. I'm hurting without you. I'm hurting without you. So I believe this person, even if they cannot give you a solid commitment, they won't be able to let you go. No matter what they are telling you or what they are behaving like, I still see them very much stuck on you and still wanting this. Trust me when I say this. This person may be a player, but they are very much in love with you. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Aries. If this resonates, please consider hitting the like button. It greatly helps my channel. Comment, let me know if you liked it, did not like it, what you liked, what did not like. Subscribe. If you want a personal reading, please reach out on my website and book one that fits best for you. Thank you so much for coming in. I hope to see you soon, guys. Happy March.